removing your skin. I don't. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Other person feelings. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oopsie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've already showered. Now let's get ready together. I don't know how this will go, but let me tell you, look at how my hands are. And also I have undone my, I've removed my gel polish, and I've decided not to put any kind of polish on my hands for a whole the rest of I think June and also the beginning of July, or maybe I go a month so that my nails can recover. Yeah, and also let me show you, I've been using this and it's really nice. It's really nice, and also it's kind of heavy but not heavy on your skin. It's thick, but not heavy on your skin. But let me tell you guys, borehole water inatumanga mtu aparare. Unaparara, like it's like it was removing your skin. I don't know what's the sense behind that, but yeah. So I want to get ready. I haven't decided where I want to go, because even maybe nitafika Karen nirudi, or I get bored, because I really don't want to go to town. Town is quite far. Town is quite far. So I don't want to go to town. Anyway. Oh, I've forgotten I have this margin. I've forgotten for a bit. For a moment there. But I hope you can hear me properly. Borehole water inaweza kuipisha. Unaweza sahau kujipaka mafuta. We go out and then upate like there's something. Let me dress up. Hi friends. Hi friends. Hi friends, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Trista Maura. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is the 24th of June 2024. Today is my birthday. If you don't know, if you're new here, anyway, today is my birthday and I'm about to head out. I'm not going to do anything. I just want to go out and be out and not be inside the house and just being out. So come along with me. So the plan is either to go to the Hub Karen, because that's the nearest, or I go to KFC. I don't know, but KFC I think I will be so bored. Or I go to Java, or I go window shopping to China. So I don't know where I'm going, and yeah, so I'm ready to head out. Let's go. Let's find out where I'm going. And I don't know how many times nimegonga hii, but nimegonga so many times. I'm really sorry. So let's head out, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also I bought this thing. This is my mini microphone and it's serving me so well. This is the second video me using this, and from all those people who are saying like my voice is not like you struggle to listen to me, not really struggle, like my voice is too low. I've tried to fix that with editing software, but I think this will, change everything. I think now on your TVs, on your phones, wherever you are, you're going to be hearing me shouting. Even you're going to start reducing your volume. Anyway, let's head out. And this was my birthday gift to myself. Anyway, let's head out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hi guys. Hi guys, so I'm here at Quickmart, the one in Karen, and I want to have a little bit of bite before I decide whatever I want to do today. But honestly, maybe after this I'm just going to go back home, but I'm going to say I want to try out the Java meat pie. I don't know, for some reason I'm into this meat pie era. And also the one at Quickmart is really nice, but they don't have, so I opted to go with this Quickmart hot dog and this Quips pineapple flavored a drink of choice because one, I'm really hungry. Let me just put this thing over here so that I can eat. I'm really hungry. And maybe Java will try another time, but I really wanted to sit at the outside. It's really looking so. The first time I was there, it was looking so nice, a chill out place and all that stuff. But the this time round, what like what are you people doing at Java? Like what the hell? Anyway, I hope it's not because the couple of times tumekuwa hapa, it's either a hit or miss. So let's see. It's a miss. And the table is dancing. Wow, really nice. Wow. And unfortunately, I've forgotten the straw. So, but anyway, it's really nice this hot dog, but it's not as perfect as the way like quick mat hot dog as usual. But the way I'm hungry, I'm really hungry.
We can break all the rules, speed her up, pose you wanna dance in the dark on the top of a Rari. Run through the streets, just you and me tonight. Sipping on the juice, we're drinking in the club, getting lit tonight. Sipping on the juice and we're drinking, getting lit tonight. We can break.
I'm done. Now on to the next. I'm going to Waterfront Karen. So come along with me, and I'm trying to vlog in front of people, and it's really shine. I don't know how the Miss Mike will perform outside. We are about to find out. So yeah, and also I've held my hair up in a this kind of bun, which I'm loving. It may change because I don't want things all over my neck. It's kind of irritating. I really don't like my hair being on my neck, to be honest. So when you see me having like hair kwa my neck, maybe that time I'm feeling like so. Yeah, and I hope you can hear me and see me. Guys, have made it to Waterfront Karen, and I'm thinking of going first of all to check what's new at China Square, and then I come to CJ's. So come along. So nimeingilia na this entrance because I wanted to record and tell you guys where I'm at and all that stuff because of security ya kusnatchwa na simu and all that stuff. Anyway, let's go to China Square. My shoes, like my outfit of the day, this pink dress because it's my favorite color. Yeah, just basically that, and it's really comfortable and really cute. Honestly, I like the activities at Waterfront. I've seen these things for riding, but that I feel like you need someone else to do that activity with. You can do alone, or yeah, maybe you can do it alone. Yeah, but really, let me tell you guys, I'm really happy like being here and being just, you know, in the moment. I feel I could have come with someone, but the fact that I would have been thinking of that other person feelings, if he or she is okay doing whatever I want to do. And yeah, so being alone saa zingine inakusaidia, and also I'm a really 100% introvert, so I'm really enjoying this. And the fact that I'm not using anyone else's calendar, I really love this. I really love it. So nimefika for this other entrance. I hope you can see Also, I don't know if I mentioned, I'm at the waterfront, Karen, and one thing I forgot is my tripod, my mini tripod. I forgot it, but it's all okay. This will do. I'll be just using maybe sauce or something, or just holding my phone with my hand, and that's it. One thing I really hate is kutoa bag kurudisha, because I'm approaching the checkout, as you can see. So that struggle I really don't like. Yeah, and there are people behind me, and they didn't realize. But anyway, let's go first to China Square.
On the top of a Rari, run through the streets, just you and me tonight. Sipping on the juice, we're drinking in the club, getting lit tonight. Sipping on the juice and we're drinking, getting lit tonight. We can break all the rules, be the rebels you wanna. Dance in the dark on the top of a Rari, run through the streets, just you and me tonight.
It's currently at 6, and now it's time for me to do what I was coming here to do when I was coming to Waterfront. My reason for going to China Square, I was really full from the hot dog that I ate from Quickmart. So now it's time for us to go. And let me tell you, the last couple of clips I'm going to delete because this I had not turned this on. So if you purchase this, be careful on turning on your mic, and just don't forget because I'm very sure you're going to lose a lot of footage thinking that you're recording and your audio is perfect. But yeah, so let's go and
We can break all the rules, be the rebels you wanna. Dance in the dark on the top of a Rari, run through the streets, just you and me tonight. Sipping on the juice, we're drinking in the club, getting lit tonight. Sipping on the juice and we're drinking, getting lit tonight. We can break all the rules, be the rebels you wanna. Dance in the dark on the top of a Rari, run through the streets, just you and me tonight.
Hi guys, so currently I'm at CJ's. Nasikika, the confirm. It's really nice. Let's record it. Happy birthday to me. This is really nice. Before to go, let's unboxing video. Unaonekana unboxing. Haina shida. So ati inakaa ni pesa. Oh my god, imeraruka vibaya. Let's see. Oh wow. A win is a win. Chocolate. It's chocolate card. Ebu nyamaza. Shasha. Hiyo nitasoma baadaye. Chana na mimi. I need scissors. The gifts. How pretty it is. Naonekana vizuri? Okay, let's start. Hii nilikuwa nataka ku unbox jana. Guess ni nini? Perfume. Mimi naona ni necklace. Ring aje sasa. Wow. Decoration. It's so pretty. Mimi napenda. Wow. Wow.
Okay. Okay. Watch. Your first watch.
Woo!
Ana shida zako kweli kweli.
Ona, like for real. I mean,
Ile zimemacha ni yangu yako.
wow. Eh, eh. Tutapiga baadaye. Oh my god. And then, hebu fungua. So beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. My ona. Ona.
Hiyo tu utanipatia.
We, no. Wow. Acha nimpigie simu saa hizi. Eh.